back to another surveillance video. Today I'm showing you a chic Friendsgiving tablescape idea that you can recreate this season. Let's begin! I'm beginning with a lovely blush chiffon runner as your base and using our Gingham checkered napkins as placemats. Next, I'm placing 2 Willow Greenery garlands down the center of the runner and adding a few stems of Pampas grass. Of course, we can't forget the pumpkins. To create a warm and inviting ambiance, I'm setting up some candle holders along the runner and adding a variety of pink toned candles. And finally, it's Santa's at the table. This modern, Faux-inspired table design is incredibly versatile, perfect for elevating your holiday dinner to glamorous heights or for creating a beautiful, relaxed setting for a casual get-together with friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.